So far, we have learned about Python basics, like how Python works and all. Now we are trying to learn about how can we use that Python to do a data analysis. The one part of the data analysis is called as a exploratory data analysis. In exploratory data analysis, we are going to learn about a few of the case study basis it will be, and how exactly the file will be loaded and how to read the data. All these things we will discuss one by one. Before that, we will launch our Jupyter notebook. Just go to search Anaconda Navigator. Once you open the Anaconda Navigator, we need to check some of the libraries to be installed. Okay, we need to check that those libraries are available in our Anaconda or not. Okay, in Anaconda Navigator, it will be pre-installed. If it is not been installed, then how to install that Anaconda? This one we will going to learn now. Once it has been, there are four different libraries, basic libraries which we required. One is a pandas, second one is a numpy, third one is a matplot, and fourth one is a uh, seaborn. Okay, these are the four libraries we will be required to do any analysis. So we will check that what kind of analysis we can do. I will just say I will minimize this. Okay, remind me later. I launch my Jupyter Notebook. I just show you that how to create a new file also. Once again, we already know that how to create a new file, right? One folder we created where we are doing all the our day-to-day activity focus. In that, I just created one Python basics, one file we already created. Now we will create a one more file. Where we need to go? Here, right side corner, we have a new option. There we have to select a Python 3. Okay. Once we have been selected, we need to change the title. Here, untitled it will be. I just say it as a um, pandas basics. Pandas underscore value basics. Okay. Pandas basics. I just given one thing. Like, for example, as I said, to do any analysis, okay, we require four different libraries. One is a pandas. These are the basic libraries. NumPy, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Okay, these are the four libraries we will be required. Okay, in case I would like to check that whether these libraries are there in my Anaconda or not, in my directory or not, by saying that pip list. Okay, I just run this code, shift enter. It says that invalid this one because I'm using in a conda. So we can search that in a Google conda pip list, how to check. Okay, um, just if you go to any of the codes like docs, like here. Okay, stack overflow, that is the best one. We can say pip list, or okay, in a conda, like we can check. Okay, conda build package, or we can say that conda pip build packages. Okay, if you are directly installed thing, then we can directly say that uh, pip this one pip list. But when we have this one, we'll see no, it's not taking conda build package. We'll check. No, Just we need to check all the codes what they have been given. Okay, install it via pip or conda install. Okay, conda install conda build package. I just want to check that whether I have never installed. Okay, conda list we can say. We'll see conda list. No, just we need to check what are the things they have been say. Conda list, this is a conda installed packages doesn't show up. Okay, this doesn't show. Pip please or pip list, every package I have in. Okay, pip list it is not giving pip list. If I type, yes, separately we need to type. Sorry, here along with this syntax if I type it will not give. So pip list separately we need to check. Okay, it shows that what are the packages we have been installed in our pandas, like sorry, in our thing. Okay, the errors are very good. Okay, that's the reason I'm not pausing anywhere this video. And we have so many packages we have been installed. Okay, like Jupyter, there are inbuilt packages we have. In that we can see p pandas is installed or not. Pip is installed. Okay, pandas is also installed. You can see pandas, this is a version. And numpy, lmnop, ln is a numpy. Yes, numpy is also okay. Matplot also I think installed. ma matplotlib, right? It is also installed. Okay, and one more I said seaborn. Is seaborn is yes. Okay, in machine learning and all we use this one skyscitlearn. Okay, skypy, all these libraries are installed. Okay, in case you would like to check any libraries is installed or not, just we need to import that library. If you try to import that library now, we'll come to know that import pandas. If I execute that, if there is no error means yes, that particular library is already there. Okay, in case if you are getting an error means you can say that no, that library is not there. Or we can check like pandas dot. Okay, I just want version. Okay, underscore version. If I execute, it gives that which okay, we'll say another. Okay, version, no, version. Okay, pandas also version from module. Okay, version is already there in a anaconda 3 library. Hmm, any other code we have? Okay, uh, it has to show actually. If I check dunder using dunder, yeah, just use a double underscore so that we'll get a which version of the library has been installed. In case you like to install your library again, we can say pip install pandas. Okay, like this if I say, it will start downloading. It is already satisfied, it is showing because we already installed. If it is not been installed, okay, it says that it start downloading all the packages and it will be updated in your anaconda. Okay, pip install pandas we have to say. Like similarly we have to say pip install numpy to install the numpy. Okay, already satisfied it is. And pip install seaborn Okay, to install the cbon, it is also already certified, otherwise you will be installed that. Okay, then pip install matplotlib. Okay, pip install matplotlib. If you say matplotlib also will be installed. Okay, these are the four libraries to be installed before going forward to the analysis. Okay, make sure that all of you have been done with this installation. Okay, first check that pip list separately you write, don't write it like this. Okay, then you'll get all the libraries which have been installed. Once you have been checked the all the libraries which have been installed, then by try by importing that. Okay, pandas, import pandas like this. Then you can check the version also, double underscore version double underscore. Then you can install libraries one by one by using pip install statements. Okay, just check that one. If it is already satisfied, means it is already there in your anaconda. So anaconda, if you are using, it will be there separately. If you have been installed the python, then we need to install manually by using this pip method. Okay, we'll discuss about how to connect a data, how to construct a data and all in a by using pandas in a coming sessions.